back to the channel. It's your boy T. Finally back here with another video for you guys. Today should be a good one, man. I peeled this back just to make sure. This is my most expensive beater box from Soul Supremacy thus far. This is a $23.75 box. I got high hopes for it. Been doing really good this year with the beater boxes. I don't even know how many I've copped. What I put on YouTube is not even close to how many comes in. Just finding time to shoot these videos and stuff like that is just a little difficult, but $23.75. I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. I've been itching to get this one open. Just came in via FedEx. I got like 3 more boxes on the way. Hopefully get time to shoot those. I really just wanted to make sure I got a video for this one, since it's my most expensive one. Excuse the room. I told y'all in the last video, man, your boy trying to do some renovating to his house. I've been working on the kitchen's room, my mama's house, trying to make some changes. All right, we have a Mamba Fury, size 8.5 Mamba Fury, dead stock. Check those out. Size 8.5. Cool little hoop shoe. Can't go wrong with a Kobe hoop shoe. Next up, we got a Nike Air More Up Tempo, size 6. These look to be a dead stock, also size 6. Classic joints. Up Tempo is one of my grails back when I was a little younger. These are solid though. I like the OG black and white ones a little bit better, but you can't go wrong with these either. Very clean. No need to take out both of them since they are dead stock. All right, we got another kid shoe. This is a size 4. It's an Air Jordan 5. These are nice. Another dead stock pair. The Raging Bull joints. These are dope. I wish they had a black tongue. That silver tongue is the only thing I dislike about them. Other than that, these are dope. I can't wait to find a pair in my size. Hopefully in a beater box so it don't cost me nothing. But size 4 on these dead stock Raging Bulls. Box is in great shape. I got an old Jordan box. I like old Jordan boxes and I hate them because sometimes the shoes be so old you can't wear them. Not in this instinct. These aren't too old. We got the Shadow Jordan 10s. Take out both of them since they're not dead stock. Shadow 10s. I think that's what these called. Stealth 10s, maybe stealth. I'm not even sure. I had it down below for you guys. These are not dead stock. Still got some life in them though. Let me tell y'all the size. Size 11 on these. My size, but I don't need them. They still got some life though. Come with the box. Will come with the box. Everything with a box will ship with the box. I double box ship everything. So we got 4 pair left. All right, we got a Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low. I remember these. With that little jump man on the toe box there. These are hard to me. I like these. These are size 8.5 men's, 10 in women's. These are dope. Real slick, real low profile. Nike SB with that little jump man on them. I don't know. I like them. Got the white laces with them. They got some value to them. I don't know about $2,300 worth of value, but these do hold a little value. I know dead stock pairs go for crazy amount, but again, not $2,300 worth. I keep looking in the mirror. I should be looking at y'all in the camera. We got 3 boxes left. I got 2 Yeezy boxes. Man, 11.5 looks like a Cinder from the little sticker on the box. We got some Cinders. These are not even dead stock. size 11.5. I have no one here locally that cops all my 11.5s. I got like somebody for every size here locally that what you got in the 10, what you got in 10.5, what you got in 11, and boom, what you got in the 12. Nobody wants 11.5. We got some cinders here. Check these out. Really good shape. Still got a lot of life in it. Even the inside still pretty legible on the insoles there. So not a bad pickup, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't see $2,300 in this box because I think I know what the next two shoes are. So we got, oh well, I didn't know. I know these 700s. Let's see what these are. Wave runners. I know it's not no 700 like super crazy $2,300 value. These are size 12, not dead stock, but 700s still go for a pretty good penny too, especially the OG wave runners. I've had about 4 or 5 pair of these in mystery boxes. I actually sold the homie a pair locally here, a size 10.5, and I kind of wish I would have kept them because I like these. I actually like this colorway. Not bad, not bad. Man, I don't know about this one, yo. I got one box left. I think I know what it is. I'm not even sure. Looks like the Oregon. Whoa. I thought these was the Oregon 5 joints. Y'all know they come with the box top that look kind of like that. Maybe not exactly like that, but that's what I thought they were. Makes sense now. Makes sense now. We got the Union ones, Union blue ones, Storm blues. These aren't dead stock. No, these are not dead stock. That would have been too good. But very, very good shape. If you got a question if a pair is dead stock or not, you know they in great shape. Check these out. Size 12, size 13. I didn't even tell you guys the size because I had automatically assumed they was them 5s and I didn't even care. Oh, extra laces, Jumpman tag. These alone will probably cover close to 90% of the box. This will be a pair that probably go to my my vault, my little storage unit, and I will probably sit on these, man, just to see what the market does down the line. I know dead stock pairs and these Storm blues are going for like 25, 3 bands. Cause I was looking at getting a personal pair one time. I seen their price. I was like, nah, I'ma chill. I ain't gonna do it. I wanted to. I really wanted to, but I can't do it. I'd rather renovate my house, y'all. I'd rather put that money into the crib. But these right here will probably get locked up somewhere along with the rest of the, I got a bunch of shoes just sitting, just trying to see what the market gonna do on them. Hopefully down the line they pay for my son college or something, I don't know. Very, very, very good box. Come on, man. Union ones. Yeah, I'm excited now. Your boy was in his feelings a couple boxes ago. I'm not even gonna cap to you. I was in my feelings a couple boxes ago. Union's made it up. I'm excited about it. Very good investment. $23.75. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in. Man, make sure y'all hit that like button because I was not liking it at first. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Oh, hit that eBay link. I've been pushing kicks through there. It should be like 15 to 25 auctions going right now as this video is up. So random stuff from boxes you guys haven't even seen. A ton of stuff. If you see anything on there, man, you can just DM me, shoot me a message. Yo, I'm a sub. I'll work out a special deal for the subs. And just follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer. I'm out. I'm excited. That's a grail pickup. That's grail status. That's hard. The black pair is better. The black pair is better, but the Storm blues are hard too. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm out. Peace.